We'll guide you through how to configure Gmail SMTP settings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open the Settings menu and select See All Settings. Next, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Here, you'll find a section labeled Send Mail As. Click on Add another email address to start the SMTP configuration process. Enter the name you want to appear on sent emails and the email address you want to configure. Click Next Step. Now, it's time to enter the SMTP server information. You'll want to input smtp.gmail.com as the SMTP server. For the port, choose 587 if you're using TLS or 465 if you're opting for SSL. Make sure you select the appropriate encryption method based on your port choice. Enter your full Gmail address in the username field and your Gmail password in the password field. If you're using two-factor authentication, you'll need to generate an app-specific password for this step. Then, click Add Account. Gmail will send a verification email to the address you specified. Go to that email account and find the confirmation email from Gmail. Click the verification link or enter the confirmation code back in your Gmail settings to complete the process. Now your Gmail SMTP settings are all configured and ready to go. You can send emails from this account through Gmail's servers. This setup is particularly useful if you're managing multiple email addresses and want to consolidate them. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.